Come on then, boys, let's be having ya.
Oh, shit.
See, that's the trap. Makes you stop.
Hold up.
And then these boys are going to jump on. Monkeys.
Not interested enough, mate.
No. Obviously don't, he's like, yeah, Vauxhall Astra.
Respect. What's he saying? There might be one on the roof, we don't know.
I'm sure it's here.
No fair.
Come on, I want to get, oh, here we go. Here we go. Yes, mate.
Alright, son.
Do you want to go for a ride? They've got really serious faces when they look at you, they're like... Oh, he's found something on my bonnet. Yeah.
Oh, what? It went out of focus.
Yeah, it's the light. It's a female as well.
Quality. Come on, look at me.
Right, we've got one monkey. We need more.
Oh, you... It was focused and it unfocused.
It's because of the dirt and everything on there, mate. Quick, quick, we're about to lose our monkey. I'm going to start driving. Let's make sure there's none right around by the wheels.
Oh, we've got a secondary monkey approaching from the rear.
Oh my god.
Oh,
yeah, he's hanging on a spoiler. He's hanging on. Ah! No, he's going for the glass. No, he's going for the aerial. Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Oh, it's cool.
He's just sat on the spoiler. Monkey roof surfing zone.
Well, that's not very good photo, but it captures the essence.
Oh, that's my cooler kicking in. What's he ripping off there? What's he's ripping on something? Oh, he's falling off!
He's bailed.
There you go, look, there's another one. Next one coming up. No, we still got one. I can see a shadow.
What?
I can see a shadow. There's one on the roof. No, there you go, there.
That's quality.
Brilliant.
Oh, he bailed. No, he hasn't.
No, he's still there.
Oh, it's the sun, isn't it?
Here come the rest of them. Oh my god.
Enough monkeys, mate. Oh, he's got sore arse. Okay.
Oh no.
He's right in front of him. He's out the way now, I think.
What's going on with his arse?
Oh, fucking hell, mate. Come on. Needs more monkeys on this car. Is he still there? He is. He's
Oh, he's on the roof.
cheeky shit.
He's dead. It's alright, there's crap all over my car from the forest. He's eating the, yeah, he's eating the pines.
Oh, potential.
Yeah, come on board. Yes! We got number 2. He's on the roof! It's monkeys!
Oh, mate, this is quality.
We gained one, we lost one. Maybe one.
Okay, I think I've lost count of how many monkeys we have. I think we've got 3 of them.
It's my new cover photo. Oh god, there's one running. Oh, hold on.
Look at them, mate. They're so human-like.
He's peeling paint off my car, Martin! I just saw him.
What, son?
Ooh, a bit bumpy. Shall I make it bumpy for him? Make him fall off?
Just brake really hard.
I need to just do that.
Oh, I knew there was. Oh.
Just rocking the car. Mate, they've done this before, they're pros.
Mate, look at them. Whoa! Could have died doing that.
Nah, they're alright, mate.
Oh, boys.